Tired of that Fliki AI watermark ruining your otherwise perfect video creation? Let's get rid of it. First, understand your options. The easiest and most supportive way is to simply upgrade to a Fliki AI paid plan. This removes the watermark automatically and unlocks tons of other features. Navigate to Fliki AI's pricing page and compare the different subscription tiers. Choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Once subscribed, the watermark will disappear from all newly generated videos. If upgrading isn't an option, you can use a video editor to manually cover the watermark. Import your Fliki AI video into your preferred editing software. Use the editor's overlay tools to add a shape, logo, or even a blurred box over the watermark. Adjust the size, position, and opacity to seamlessly blend it with the video. Alternatively, try cropping the video slightly. This will cut off the edge containing the watermark, but be mindful of losing any important content in the process. And that's it. You now have a watermark-free video. Remember to support Fliki AI if you find their tool valuable by considering a paid subscription.